Hi everybody! So, we're going to be doing something different today, and we're going to give you guys small videos throughout the day of how we set up. So today, we are in lovely Caribou, in this gorgeous location, right on Caribou Island, and we're going to be setting up a tent right here. So, we're just unloading our big truck, and then we're gonna start getting set up. I'm so excited, it's so beautiful, and the couple today are amazing, so fingers crossed, this should be amazing. See you soon. Hi everybody again. So, maybe an hour later, and we've got the tents up already. Now we're gonna add the walls, and we've already started with some chairs underneath, with some chair covers on, and the guys are just strapping it down with some nice stakes. So that it's all nice and sturdy. So with our big commercial tents, we always stake down the legs when they come together, tie it together, and then we'll go out to another stake about here that'll have that strap going across to keep it all nice and tight and down. So, doing pretty good. Hi everybody, still watching. So, now our tents are up and our walls are on. All of the tent is strapped down, and we're starting on our dance floor, and lights for the ceiling. Got them all nice and strapped. Now when you're doing our tents, you want to make sure that you have the corners open for air. You have at least one wall open if you want, and if you're going to open up one wall, you have to open up the corners. So everywhere where these Velcros are, you want to open, and then you can just have one door open. If you want to close all those Velcros, you have to open up two walls so that there's a breeze through. Otherwise these giant tents become giant umbrellas, and we don't want that. So, we got nice and strapped down, all our chair covers are on. Now for our dance floor. See you again. Hi everyone again. So, not much longer after before, but I'm going to take you inside now because we have everything from the truck almost anyways moved in. So we just put down our dance floor, and we're going to clean it up and stuff. And now we're just putting down the edging. And when you get one of our dance floors, it's just like giant puzzle pieces. So we always tell people to just run on it when we get it all laid down. And as you walk on it, it'll unpop, or it'll start popping down and becoming very, very, very solid. You just gotta flatten all the grass underneath it. All of our people. Alright. Next step, tables. Oh no, lights. Lights. Hi again. So, another update. So, we've got half of the ceiling lights done. And we've got to fix a few things because these are really droopy. But this is the first time we've done fabric with Edison lights. And I think when it's turned on, I'm gonna love it. And then we've got rope lights. You can kind of see it all the way around the outside, and that's already done. You can kind of see it right along that hole up there. And at night, that's going to glow so nice with the Edison lights. So, just a little bit more. And we'll be done with the ceiling and can move to tables. Exciting. Okay, bye. Hi guys. So we now have the tent all lit. And we're just setting up the tables. And we're gonna put the play settings on. And you can't really see the lights there, but you can kind of see them flickering. That's the backdrop. So, once it turns dark, it's gonna be gorgeous with our little puzzle balls in the middle. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow when it's all done.